What is up, guys? So in today's video, I'm actually prepping for a quick run right now. So I have a little snack that I'm eating, and then I have some packages that I recently got as well. So I'm gonna open those with you guys, and then I'm actually gonna open them before I head out for the run because I'm super excited about these sneakers. I actually waited to open this package with you guys. So yeah, man, let's hop into the video. All right, let us try to open this package. Okay, so first, let me actually put this here. Okay, this is not the main thing, but for anyone that wants a good pair of boxers, man, I cannot suggest this brand enough. This is what I've been mostly wearing for the last, yeah, for the last like 2 years. These are the ones I've been wearing. And well, first of all, the packaging is amazing, and they fit so great. I love these, man. This is all I wear. And let's open the package. Yeah, the brand, you can find it on Essence. I think Farfetch carries it as well, possibly. But yeah, great brand. You get 3 in one order, which is pretty good. So yeah, the brand is called CDLP. That's the brand. So yeah, anyway, let's move on to the main package. So I actually tried these sneakers last week or 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I tried these sneakers at a store because I just wasn't sure what size I wanted to get, but I kind of did say I was gonna get these during my last spring summer 2021 wishlist video. I'll leave a link here if you guys haven't checked that one out. But yeah, super happy to have these in my wardrobe now. Yeah, man, we're sort of building a little sneaker collection. I'm joking, but yeah, these are the Solomons, as you can see, in black and red, just the classic pair. And I got them in a size 9. I tried on a size 9, 9.5, and I usually like my shoes in general to kind of fit more on the tighter side. So I ended up going with a size 9, which fits me perfectly. And yeah, Salomon sneakers. I'm gonna maybe wear them out today. But yeah, we have to go for a run right now. I'm actually glad I opened this package now because I ate a little bit too much before the run. So I'm gonna chill out a little bit and then head out for the run. But yeah, here you have them. Salomon sneakers. I'm thinking I'm not gonna give you guys too much details on these and how they fit and whatnot, because I kind of want to do another video where I kind of showcase everything that I've bought so far for the spring summer. I haven't bought much, but I've bought a nice few pieces that I'm adding onto my wardrobe. So I'll probably save sort of more details on the shoe for that video. So yeah. So it is currently Saturday actually. So as you guys saw, like my run was pretty good that day. I actually trained a bit, did a bit of pull-ups, some push-ups for about 35-40 minutes, and then did a second run for about 5K. But yeah, overall it was pretty good. But yeah, stepping out today, I actually have a haircut appointment. And then I'm gonna take you guys shopping, man. I'm gonna go check out a couple of stores. Like the sale at Simon's is getting pretty good. But fit check today, we have wearing some Spencer Badu pieces. So the hoodie is Spencer Badu. The cargos, Spencer Badu. You guys have seen me style these a few times on my Instagram. Love wearing this. It's actually a rainy day today, so this is the perfect outfit for a rainy day, to be honest. And on feet we have my Bottegas. These boots, I love wearing these boots, man. Got a lot of wear out of them throughout the spring season, and on rainy days they're the perfect boot to wear. But yeah, and then at the top, just my regular fog Xenia hat and some better feeling sunglasses. Can never leave the house without these sunglasses. Love wearing these, man. Whether there's sun or no sun, I just kind of rock these. But yeah, we're gonna head out, and I'll check in with you guys once we get to the stores. Peace. Alright, so I actually quickly came back home because I got so hungry after my haircut. So I'm actually gonna eat first, then I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna try to walk to these stores right away because it's getting a little bit sunny, but I think it's gonna start raining as soon as I get out of the house. So I'm gonna try to eat something real quick and then head out. There's actually a Marni set that I just saw in Simon's when I was browsing coming back home. That I think they have in stores, so I'm gonna try it on. I checked with the store that I'm going to that's close by my place, so I think they have it. I saw that they have the shirt and the pants, so I'm gonna try it on and see how it works out, and then just a bunch of other stuff, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, you know, one thing I've noticed about Marni, man, Marni fits extremely small. A lot of the Marni shirts, for example, I usually tend to wear like an XL or a double XL even, which is just insane. But yeah, I'm gonna try on the Marni set, and then I think that will probably conclude the video. I'm going out tonight, and I kind of wanted to show you guys the fit that I'm gonna be wearing, so I'll try to shoot that maybe like this evening before heading out, because I really like the fit and it's just such a simple, nice, clean fit. One of my friends is here from Ottawa, and we're going out for dinner, so yeah, maybe I'll try to shoot some clips as sort of like to conclude this vlog. But anyway, let me finish this coffee, grab a little something to eat, and then head out. Alright, so here's what I'm wearing for the evening. So as promised, I'll show you guys what I'm stepping out in. So at the top we have the Salvum white shirt that you guys have seen me wear quite a few times now, and then these are actually my new Loewe sunglasses. I just recently picked them up. Absolutely love them. Last year they had actually sold out and came back in stock, and I was like, I have to get these because yeah, they just kind of look like the Gucci ones, but these are just so sick. I'm gonna do a video, like I said, of all my recent pickups that I'm super excited to share with you guys, because I've picked up some pretty decent stuff and stuff that I'm actually getting a lot of wear out of, which I always love. Like I always mention, you know, when I'm trying to grow my wardrobe, I am now consistently looking at pieces that I can just incorporate in my outfits and I can wear on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, Loewe sunglasses. We have some jewelry from Color Clothing, and the Cuban link is actually from Aporo. That's the name of the brand, Aporo. So yeah, if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below. Salvum shirt, like I said, and then at the bottom we have my Forme d'Expression trousers. These one of my favorite black trousers that I own, to be honest. They're just so sick. Like, if you guys look at the details of these, they're wool material, and just the shape and the silhouette of these trousers is insane. And I usually tend to wear them with, obviously, my Bottega boots. The Chelsea boot look so good with these trousers. And one of the things that I really like about these trousers is how they're really not a slim pair of jeans. They just fit so perfectly. Like, they have room in my thighs, which I absolutely love. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite pair that I own. But yeah, and then we have just chain hanging. But yeah, pretty simple outfit for dinner. Super chilled. I hope I don't look like a waiter with this black and white combo, but yeah. That is going to conclude today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and like. And if you want to see more outfits, you can follow me on Instagram at GREGNTRE. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for the continuous support. I can't thank you guys enough. I know I always say that, but I have to mention it every time. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.